Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to open or how to connect your WhatsApp into PC or laptop. So here the thing that you have to do, open your WhatsApp application, and in this down sections here there will be several sections. Now you need to jump into the settings section, and in the settings section, to link your WhatsApp into the other device such as laptop or PC, you just need to go click this linked device. And now you just need to confirm that you want to link to the device, and you just need to scan the barcode and make sure that your laptop is also opening this WhatsApp web. And after that there will be a code right here, and then you just need to scan this code with your phone and wait until you both being connected. So that's the way how to connect your WhatsApp into other device such as laptop or PC. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.